Know if you guys can see this, but this is a young man right there. He's got very long hair, very long hair. Got like a rat tail, I guess. And he's got a fishing pole in his hand. I don't know if you can see that. He walked up to them. He's got some money in his right hand. There's hundreds. He's got hundreds of dollar bills. So he pulled them out and he was counting them. And it's like, dude, I don't think it's fake. I think it's real. And he's counting it again. He's counting it again. And he hasn't let it go. He doesn't act like it's fake. It's him right there with all black on. Oh, maybe it is fake. I don't know. Maybe it is fake. But at first, I didn't think it was. Because the way he was playing with it and counting it, as young guys would, young guy, they giving each other dap, little cool guys, enjoying their life. One of them dropped it on the ground, so now I know it's fake. But he was counting it before. He was counting that money like that money was real. But just some young guys enjoying their life, playing with them hundreds. Them hundreds look pretty real, though. I tell you that. Old man Joe, like and subscribe, baby.